Have you ever wondered how websites communicate? Ever clicked on a link or typed a URL into the address bar and pondered over what happens behind the scenes? How does that particular web page appear on your screen? The answer lies in a protocol that's running the show in the background, HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the foundation of any data exchange on the web, and it's a protocol used for transmitting hypertext requests and information between servers and browsers. It's like a messenger of the web, carrying your request to the server and bringing back the response to you. Imagine a scenario where you're sitting at a restaurant. You, the client, place an order, the request to the waiter, who acts as the messenger. The waiter takes your order to the kitchen, the server, which processes your order and gives it back to the waiter, who finally delivers the food, the response, back to you. In the realm of HTTP, the client is your browser, the server is the website you're trying to access, and HTTP is the waiter. When you type in a URL, your browser sends an HTTP request to the server, which then responds with the requested web page. The communication process of HTTP can be broken down into 4 main steps. First, the client, your browser, establishes a TCP connection with the server. It's like dialing a phone number and waiting for the other person to pick up. The second step is the HTTP request. Your browser sends a message to the server asking for a specific web page. This is like asking your friend on the phone to share a particular piece of information. The third step is the HTTP response. The server processes the request and sends the requested web page back to the browser. It's like your friend sharing the information you asked for. Finally, the TCP connection is closed. It's like ending the phone call after you've received the information. So, that's the gist of HTTP. It's a stateless application-level protocol for distributed, collaborative, hypertext information systems. It's simple, extensible, and its request-response nature makes it ideal for use in the World Wide Web. HTTP has its own set of methods, like GET, POST, DELETE, and others, which define the type of request the client is making. It also uses status codes like 200 for a successful response, 404 when a resource can't be found, and many others to communicate the status of the request to the client. In conclusion, HTTP is the unsung hero of the internet, working tirelessly in the background to deliver the content we seek. It's an essential part of our daily digital lives, and understanding how it works can give us a better appreciation of the complex web of connections that form the internet. So, the next time you click on a link or type a URL, remember the humble HTTP that makes it all possible.